Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to unbox the Asus VivoBook S14 Core i5 8th generation laptop. So now I'll be unboxing this laptop. So let's open this one. So when we open this box, here we see the charger plug. So this is the laptop. So once we lift this flap, we get the charger here. So the laptop is covered in a white bag. Once we open the bag, this is the laptop. It's in a metal gray color. It weighs about 1.43 kgs and is 14 inches. So it's very thin and light. So I ordered this laptop from Flipkart. So the actual price of this laptop was 64,490 and I got this for 54,000. So I think it was a pretty good deal. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you want such videos, then please hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel.